Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Hope everything is great. You guys are home safe, you're secure, everything is okay. My family's good, I'm good. Sorry how chaotic things got on the last day, but everything is okay from here on out, hopefully. So let's move on to exactly what you're doing in class now. So if you want to go into the first block folder, go ahead and peek around in there and see what's in there. I'm going to walk you through the welcome screen. This is going to be kind of an introduction to this class and what we're going to be doing. I'm going to kind of look at this class as, if you see right here, this is asynchronous learning, meaning that I'm going to post a module on Monday at 9 o'clock, and then you'll have the entire week to work on it until Sunday at 10 p.m. So if you see that right here on number 1, every module, though I don't know how many modules there'll be because we don't know how long we're going to be out for, but every Monday I'm going to post a new module at 9 o'clock a.m. and then by that Sunday at 10 o'clock p.m. you're going to have to turn all the work in for that module by 10 p.m. and I'm going to check it that night or maybe Monday morning or something like that. Please give me time, ample time to grade the work, to give you feedback. It's going to take some time for me as I get used to this learning mode too, digital learning mode. And then also, just FYI, my hours are going to be from 9 o'clock till 10:30, Monday through Friday, and that could change. We're just going to play it out, see how it goes so far. Of course, if there's a question that you have, anything that's going on, please feel free to text me through Remind and ask me any kind of questions if about a grade or about an assignment, any kind of questions like that. There is no number 5, so let me delete that real quick and move on to our next thing on the list, which I'll walk you through Module 1. Okay, so if you go into the first block folder, you will see that I've divided up the class into 2 parts. So this is in this folder you'll find all the work that we've done previously before this whole thing happened with the global pandemic. And so you'll see all our work in there. We're going to be switching over to this folder, which is the digital learning folder. Everything, all the modules that you'll find, everything that you need for this class will be found in this folder. So just go ahead and go in there and you will see that module 1 right here is from 3:16, that's Monday, until Sunday 3:22. So if you go in there, you will see the folders in which you will place your work for me to grade. So let's take a look back at Module 1. I haven't posted it yet. I'm going to post Module 1 tomorrow at 9 a.m. And so let's take a quick peek at what Module 1 looks like. Okay, I'm going to open it up right here. This is going to be Module 1 for you. And I'm going to post this, like I said, tomorrow at 9 a.m. So what you're going to do first is you're going to continue reading The Glass Castle. You'll need to read pages 129 to 206 by this Friday. If you do not have your book, I've already kind of thought ahead of you, and I included the PDF. I found it online for free, so you can click the PDF to get that. And then please notify me if you have any kind of problem with that. I can switch something up so you can access that file. And then your micro narrative, kind of switching gears. We started this assignment, I think, last week, and we're going to continue to work on it this week. The main focus for this one is going to be using effective dialogue, which that's how we're going to start our micro narratives, with effective dialogue. And then we're also going to be including a lot of the figurative language that we were practicing throughout the different weeks too, in order to do a good job on that. If you need to see an example, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, go ahead and click my example right here if you want to read through that. I kind of started to show you a little bit about it before we left for this break, but I didn't read the whole thing. You can go ahead and do that if you want to. Some other things on the agenda for the first module, you'll see that you need to read and complete questions for the short memoir, Moving Home. I have the link to Moving Home right here. Same for number 5, you read and complete the questions for the poem Window Seat. You'll see that I have the link included right here. You just click the link open and you read it and then you complete those questions that go along with it. And then number 6 is you'll have to submit a 1-page journal about reading The Glass Castle, the pages specifically 129 to 206. So I'll have you can write it in Google Drive, type it up yourself, or if you want to handwrite it, I'm totally okay with that. You can handwrite it and then just take a picture of it and then upload that picture to the Google Drive folder that is designated in our module folder. If you go back and look, first block, the digital learning folder, that's the one we're in, module 1, you'll see the 2 items of writing that you'll need to submit to me. The micro narrative you need to submit by Sunday at 10 o'clock, and then the 1-page journal you need to submit by Sunday at 10 o'clock. Now, if you have any questions, This is all very new for us. We're just rolling out this digital platform. So of course there's going to be some kinks along the way. If anything happens, if you don't understand something, if there's something where I've said, hey, this is due or this is how I want it, and then things change, just let me know. Shout out to me through Remind and let me know if there's something not right. Again, thank you in advance for your patience. This is all a very trying moment for us as teachers and students. So please, please, please just remain in contact with me, and this should all go smoothly. Thanks. Miss you guys. Bye.